grow up. No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a stand.
Today we are at Champs De Rêves, that's the entrance, and you see a Chinese dragon and then a fountain, some sitting area as soon as you enter. Then there are these tracks that you can use to get around the park, some very beautiful spaces that you can just pass underneath, like this one that feels very nice because it's all green. And then you see a giant snake, and as you move along you'll see a giant head and a bird looking at it. After that you'll see a caged man, and all of it is filled with stone pebbles. Very beautiful. The artifacts, all of the artifacts whatever you see here, they are very unique and very neatly designed. And then there is a giant head and the body just sleeping right in the middle of the park. Right after that you will see some lavender fields, and all around the field there are some tables and chairs, some picnic tables that you can use if you want to just sit and have a snack or just have your own time. And then there are these caves, I would say, that you can pass underneath and see and explore this park. These are pretty unique and would be pretty fun to walk around in this park. And these are not tiny, these are huge. And as soon as you walk past by these caves you'll see some mushrooms, giant mushrooms. You can get good pictures here around these mushrooms. And as you walk past by these mushrooms you see a giant sculpture here, and this is pretty unique, although kind of scary, but very funny artifact. And then there are these heads and an entrance that you see, and unique plants all over the place. And then you see some unicorns, I think there are 3 of them or 2 of them, and then there's a giant horse right in front of us. After that there are also some unique designs of the trees that you can see around the park when you're walking around these tracks. And then you'll see a giant frog with the giant eye. After that you'll see an artifact of a girl that is wrapped in these flowers, and all of this is natural plant and flowers, nothing is artificial. And then after that there is a maze as well right in the field that you can enjoy. Just you need to choose one of the pathways as you enter, and you need to find your way out. Pretty nice and very fun activity that you can do. And as soon as you get out of the maze, if you are able to do it, then you see another dragon, and I think it's a red dragon, and right next to it there is another one that is basically another cave that you can pass by and get out of the other end. So this is also something very unique. I found this in this park. And then there's a play area where there's a cement dragon and kids could play. And also on the other side you have some tents where you can just have your snacks or just have your own time.